Oh my, we've got to find the values of x where the tangent line is horizontal. Luckily, I'm powered by little Debbie. Anyway, so if we're talking about a tangent line being horizontal, what's unique is that the slope would be 0. And if we're talking about slope, well, you know what that means. We will find the derivative. Now we can differentiate this function as easily as using the power rule. 3 times 2 is 6, and 3 take away 1 is 2. 2 times 42 is 84, and 2 take away 1 is 1. That understood power of 1 times 288 is 288, and we'll drop the power from x to the 1. When you subtract 1, we have x to the 0. But anything to the 0 means times 1. Okay, so this is the derivative. Let's set this derivative equal to 0. Okay. That is, we're going to solve for those values of x. When we do solve, let's go for solving by factoring. The first step in factoring is to take out the GCF. There is a common factor of 6. We divide it out, and we're left with 84 divided by 6 is 14. 288 divided by 6 is 48. Now, of course, this 6 out front is just a distraction. We can factor this trinomial into 2 binomials. The signs will be the same. They'll both be positive. Numbers that multiply to make 48, add to make 14, are 8 and 6. We'll set these factors equal to 0. Okay. Negative 8 and negative 6. Those are the values of x where that tangent line would be horizontal. The end.